I make this background with only CapCut. Yes, a fake background with only CapCut. No Canva, no Leonardo here. I shot this video with this background before changing it to the other background that you are seeing. Hi everyone, you are welcome to Jameel Collection. Today I'm going to show you how I made this background with only CapCut. Yes, you heard me right. Only CapCut, no Leonardo AI, no Canva. I think that is very straightforward. Yes, you don't have to worry about advanced editing skills and you don't have to worry about your background. So let's dive in. Okay, before we edit our video, we need to shoot the video. Okay, while shooting the video, make sure your phone or your camera is on a stable surface. I know most of us use our phone for shooting. Like now, I'm using my Android phone for the shooting. If you are using your phone for shooting, make sure your phone is on a stable surface, is not moving up and down, and you are not giving it to somebody to shoot for you while, or you hold the phone for you while you are talking. No, don't give your phone to somebody. Make sure it is on a stable surface like a tripod. When you are shooting your video, make sure your camera is on a stable surface. Don't give it to somebody to hold the phone for you. Don't give your phone to somebody to hold for you, and don't let the phone be shaking, so that you will have a very good result. Then make sure you are shooting with your back camera. Yes, the back camera is better than the front camera when you are using your phone. And when you are shooting, the background that you are using to shoot your video should not match, like the color of the background should not match with the clothes you are putting on. And when you are talking, please reduce the hand gesture that you'll be using. Don't use your hand too much. Let your hand be within your body like this, so that it's not as if you should fold your hand or so, but make sure you are not using a lot of hand gesture for the AI to be able to differentiate between you and the background. And while shooting your video, do not stay close to your background. So we are done shooting the video now. The next thing is editing. Good. We are first going to go to ChatGPT. The work of ChatGPT here is to generate a very good prompt for the image we are going to use in CapCut. So now let's proceed to ChatGPT. So I will proceed to Google Chrome and I will just type ChatGPT there. Because I've been using it, is already on the interface. So after typing that, give it time to load. So you go to the message bar there, type generate. You can play around with this, generate a prompt for a beautiful sewing studio, well illuminated. Just describe the type of background that you want, maybe a sewing studio or another studio or any other, like you can generate a living room, a bedroom, anything you want. Just type it there and ask it to generate a prompt for you, the color you would love, and it will bring it out like this. So you copy that and move to CapCut. So when you get to CapCut, you see this text to image, press on it and you see an interface like this. You see where some words are written. Just delete those ones and paste your own there and generate. Click that generate. So it will bring 4 pictures for you. You can see what is there. I'm going to save it. Just click on it. It will bring save. And you save the image. It will save directly to your phone. After saving, close the interface and go back to CapCut. Press new project, then go to your photos. It will bring you to your photos. Go to photos, click the one you love, and after clicking the one you love, move back to it. Will take you to this interface, and you change the ratio to 16:9 for YouTube videos. So you can adjust the background. After adjusting the background like this, extend it while it is still highlighted. Extend it to the length of your video like that. Extend it. Just click on it and start dragging. So after extending it, the next thing is to go to effects. On that effect, you see trending. Just click on that trending or basic. you see, or you search for it, blur. We are looking for blur effects, so I've clicked on that blur effect. So it's too blur, so I will adjust it, just reduce it or increase it, anyone you like, the way you, how blurry you want the picture to be. So extend that to, so that all through the video the picture will be blurry like that. Extend it to the length of the picture. So after doing that, then add overlay. The video that you want to change the background now is the one that you will add as overlay. So you go back to videos and I'll pick the video that I want to use. So I pick this and it will take me to it like this. You can see the former background is still there. I'll just go to the down part and click cut out. It will bring me to an interface like this, and just click on remove background. It will remove the background. I cannot play around with the video. You can filter it, you can move it to the center. Make sure your video is in the ratio of 16:9 for YouTube videos. So I'm done with this. After changing the background, the next thing is to proceed and export it. That arrow at the upper part beside that 1080p, that arrow is where you export. The moment you click it, your video will start exporting to your phone, and that's all. Thank you for watching this video from the beginning to the end. If you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and like this video, please, so that YouTube will promote it more to people that love content like this. Thank you for watching.